What's good, everybody? So, coming back to y'all from the garage. It's late. Oh well, just got off. I got a lot of things to do and catch up on. So, got a lot of videos I need to go ahead and edit. I'm probably gonna drop a video once I get back from my trip. So, the trip is not gonna drop for like another week. So, we're gonna be just playing catch up basically with some of these videos. But here's the good news on everything else that's going on with the R1. We got the clutch. So, you know what I'm saying? We got the clutch, baby. You know what I'm saying? It's been sitting in here since yesterday. I've already been flipping the clutches through, like, periodically from yesterday till today. And, yeah, I flipped it before I left from work. So, those should be all ready. We have the oil here. We have the filter here. Make sure I brought my tools and stuff from work. I mean, I have extra tools, but these tools would do the job quicker. So, anyway. As you can see, the side is off. Damn, that took all the light away. So yeah, as you can see, the clutch basket is off. You know what I'm saying? So yo. And you see the dirt bike. I'm not gonna lie. If the clutch would have never worked, I was up to two choices. I was going to put the old clutch from the 01 R1 in there, which wasn't that bad. Compared to, let me show you what the clutch looked like coming out of this damn bike, guys. This is ridiculous. Alright. Here's the plates. You know what I'm saying? Plates are all burnt. That one's burnt. That one's burnt. As you can see, this one is burnt. As you can see. So this bike pretty much, I burnt the clutch out, finished it. I mean, I didn't technically burn the clutch out. It was already like this when I got the bike. I didn't know until I got past second gear and realized that I couldn't freaking gun it because it kept freaking dragging and slipping and stuff. So you can see though. Let me see if I can zoom get that. Oh, there you go. Look, see, burnt clutch, all burnt. Well, best plates. This is the clutches. So, as you can see, let's see if we can zoom in and get some better lighting. Nope, I guess this is going to be the best. So, yeah, it's burnt. You can see it's got like debris and stuff right there in the cracks. You can see the clutch disc is all ate up and broken and stuff. Pieces and stuff. You can see where the melted sections are. Let me see if you can see this good. No, not really, but there's really no indentation right here. It's almost like smooth a little bit, but that's like that for all these plates, and they're all trash. Clutch discs and stuff right here, old ones. Kept them submerged in oil and everything. I should have put the other video out, but I didn't, so oh well. But this is broke, like right here. This is broke, so you can see that. I don't know how it broke or whatever. I'm not even gonna stress it. These in here are better. The plates and stuff are a lot better than the other plates. These don't have any like scarring or whatever on them or anything. Like these are straight. So we're gonna go around with those. And yeah, the new ones. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put the clutches on. So basically, I'm doing all this right here for the Vegas trip. It should go well. I don't know. I don't really know how all these things go, but it should go well. I don't know what else tightening, little maintenance I need to do besides the clutch, and I might pull the radiator back off so I can check the thermostat housing and see if I can go ahead and plug that thermostat housing with a better plug. I mean, seal it up with a better O-ring. Jesus. This is what happens when you're at work all day and you just messing with nothing but parts. You just kind of goes everywhere. But But yeah, snap-on battery is done charging. We can now use that. Been waiting for that one to be done because I've like maxed out this one right here. It's like 1 bar-ish. So yeah. So yeah, I mean, yeah, you know what I'm saying? So I guess I got work to do and stuff like that. I'm just giving y'all an update on pretty much what's going on because I don't do updates well enough. So this is a quick update if you want to know what's going on, guys. We still have this bike in here. It's broken. Has a broken peg or whatever on the right hand side because it was laid down. Wasn't for me. So that, then we got the dirt bike right there. Like I said earlier, I was going to take the dirt bike or reuse the clutches if these clutches right here didn't magically show up yet. So good thing they showed up on time. You know what I'm saying? Keeping them wet, these wet clutches. You know what I'm saying? And then we're going to go ahead and throw them inside this beast right here right after I get this pan and drain the oil, which I kind of forgot that I needed to drain the oil. So I'm not going to put the oil in that one. I'll just put it in this one because it's already nasty. This is hella nasty, as you can see. I'm not going to reuse anything that ever falls in this. So I'll kind of want to see how much oil I have in here because I don't know. I mean, for sure it has enough. Let me see. Bam, baby, we got some light. So we have enough, you know what I'm saying, between the notches. Even with the bike on the stand, it has enough. So, but we're looking good, you know what I'm saying? We're not looking too bad, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty good. I was looking in here, still got that ring right there. I left that ring right there because there's no point in taking it out. Just gonna put a disc on top of it and then put another disc and then that should be it. Hopefully this goes back in and we have no leaks and stuff like that. And then we can start up on the radiator. For those that's wondering, I do plan on painting the bike. I don't know what colors yet. I know purple has to be in the mix, so I'm not sure. I still got like some body scuffs and stuff like that I got to go back over. I've been mostly, since I got this bike, peeling off all the plasti dip. All of this is plasti dip. We still have any more? Do we still have any more? Yeah, we have more right here that needs to come off. All this needs to come off. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why they plasti dip the frame. I mean, it's the same color as the plasti dip. It's the same color as the plasti dip. Guys, look. Why did you plasti dip the frame? But I see why. They had a few scuffs on here and stuff, but they ain't need to do the whole thing. I mean, that's all bad. But don't worry, guys. I'm not going to have y'all watch me sit here and take all this stuff off. So